And the handgun, obviously, you can just throw in your handgun slot.
Running.
Behind us, yep. It almost sounds like where we just came out of. I'm watching that way, watching that door. Might be coming up the staircase. I don't. Probably an AI scav down at the bottom of the escalators there. Oh, okay.
Oh,
He's just talking, yeah, but if he comes up here, we kill him.
yeah, because
It's only 22 minutes. There he is. He just jumped. He's out the front. There's a duo. It's a duo.
I'm down.
Yeah. They're fucking me up good.
Sorry, man. I didn't have to gauge that right.
I think I might have killed one.
This break action gun is really dog shit for this time.
There's a trio. They got us wedged in on all sides. This dog shit ammo. Yeah. Got trounced.
I got him, boys.
Rough.
Yeah, I guess I should have waited. Was we had the surprise until I fired off that first shot.
Well, I said it
to see where they were going,
and I didn't realize it was a trio. I'm gonna record that here. Give me a second. Bears killed one. Scavs killed one. Yep.
Yeah, I got 2 scavs killed.
Still 2,000 XP though.
Decent run. I gotta hit the restroom.
Okay.
Peter was messaging me about